month ago I published a camera blind comparison of the Google Pixel 6a with the iPhone 14 Pro, and your opinions really surprised me. I didn't think the Pixel 6a would win so clearly. In the meantime, I've been using the successor, the Pixel 7a, for 4 weeks and will now share my experiences with it in detail, and we want to repeat the camera blind comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro. I had two issues with the Pixel 6a that really bothered me. On the one hand, there was missing 90 or 120Hz display and the missing face unlock. Many also mentioned the lack of wireless charging in the comments. All of these points were not deal breakers, but would have improved the experience many times over. Now we've improved all of these points on paper, but does it make this smartphone a better experience or even a better deal? When it comes to design, Google remains true to its design language. The Pixel 7a looks and feels more premium than the Pixel 6a, more in keeping with the look on the 7 series. The back is made of plastic but feels more like glass. The line around the camera is very well done and the frame is made of aluminium. As with the Pixel 6a, the Pixel 7a is very comfortable to hold. I'm very happy with the display: 6.1-inch 90Hz OLED display, 1080 to 2400 resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio with 429 ppi. The quality of the Pixel 6a was already impressive, but with the 90Hz the display feels so much better and smoother. It's a difference that's hard to describe and show, but you feel it and notice it. As far as the brightness is concerned, you can actually be satisfied. I never had problems reading the display outside. I show a picture from GSM Arena where you can see the Pixel 7a is one of the brighter smartphones. As far as the battery life is concerned, there was criticism in the first reviews, and the fact that the 90Hz are deactivated by default also made me doubt. But I can say that even if you don't have the best battery, you will get through the day. As a test, I let run YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, TikTok and YouTube Music open for an hour. Starting at 100%, YouTube consumed 5%, Netflix 7%, Amazon Prime Video 9%, TikTok 11% and YouTube Music 8%. After 5 hours I still had 60%. I always got through the day, but nothing more. Fast charging is possible with 18 watt, but nothing special. Wireless charging has also been added. I read with 7.5 watts. The speakers get loud, but I don't really like them because I've used better smartphones. Here is a comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro. As with all Pixel smartphones, the big advantage of the Pixel 7a is the software, stock Android, no bloatware. The Pixel 7a only has one storage variant, 128GB. In this point, the standard Pixel 7 is better. You can also choose 256GB. 8GB RAM is okay. If you want more, you have to go for the Pixel 7 Pro. There's also 12GB of RAM. In terms of performance, I can briefly say that I'm very satisfied. The same processor is installed as in the Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro, the Google Tensor G2 chip. The processors from Qualcomm and Apple are faster, but thanks to good optimization of the software, the Pixel 7a is one of the most powerful smartphones in its price range. Only the Poco F5 is probably faster. I'm including some benchmark results for the people who are more into numbers. Compared to the Pixel 6a, you can say that the 90Hz display makes a difference here. However, I do have one point of criticism regarding the heat development in 4K video recordings, which I will come to in the camera test. The smartphone warms up more quickly when used for a longer period of time and apparently throttles down the performance more quickly. Maybe it's the cooling that could have been better. I really took a lot of photos. Before we go to the blind test, I would like to say a few words about the camera system. We have new sensors for the first time and not the same ones as on the 7 series. I can't say why that is, we'll get to the quality in a moment. At first glance I was satisfied with the photos, but again I am interested in your opinion in the comments. Google is actually always strong when it comes to photos. My problem is actually shooting in 4K. At almost 20 degrees I wanted to take a few videos, but after a short time I received the message that the smartphone was too hot and the quality might be reduced. If we had a hellish temperature outside, I would accept that, but at 20 degrees that's not okay. This spoils the mood when filming and the confidence in the device. I hope that Google can fix that with a software update. Let's go to the blind test. I'll do it like last time and show the photos first and then fade in which photos belongs to which smartphone. This time I also have more video recordings in it and also tested the stabilization. You are welcome to write in the comments whether you guessed correctly and which smartphone takes the better photos for you. Let's get to the pros and cons. Good design, good bright display, very good performance, good software, pure Android, wireless charging, IP67, USB-C 3.2. The update guarantee is neutral for me because you get quick updates, but the update guarantee could be longer. Against, high price for a mid-range smartphone. Heat development is still a problem, slow charging, no charger included, only one storage option. It's hard to recommend the Pixel 7a because it's priced so close to the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 6a is now available for almost half that. Nevertheless, the Pixel 7a is a class smartphone with only a few weaknesses. I think it would be best to wait for a price reduction. However, the Pixel 7 will likely fall in price similarly, so it's hard to say. What do you think is the better choice? Write in the comments, leave a like and subscribe, and until the next video, have a good time.